In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your USDC from your Kraken wallet to your bank account. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Kraken is currently offering up to 75 euros or dollars for new users. So all you need to do is create an account with the link I will leave on the description below, or you can also use my invite code. And after that, you should see a window with some requirements you need to do. So you will usually need to deposit 100 or 200 euros and then trade them, which can be just converting them from one crypto to another. And after you have completed the task, you will automatically get money directly on your Kraken wallet and you can withdraw it to your bank account whenever you want. Then you can keep inviting more friends, so you will get up to 75 euros for you and every friend you invite to Kraken. So don't forget to join Kraken with the link in the description below. So firstly, just go to this left sidebar menu. If you can't see it, click this icon and then go to portfolio. This is your wallet, and if you scroll down, you should see all your coins right here. So we got the cryptocurrencies, and then we got the cash and the stable coins. So right here you should find USDC. In my case, I don't have any USDC, but I'm going to show you the process with this coin, for example, because it's exactly the same process. Just follow the same steps with your coin, and you will need to go to USDC and click the three dots right here. Then click on sell. So if you can't find it right here, you can also go to this right window and click on sell and search for USDC. In my case, I don't have any, so I can't find it, but you can also search for it at the top and you should see this sell button right here. Now you just need to set how much USDC you want to sell. In my case, for example, let's say $100 worth of this coin. And you need to click right here and click on sell now, so it will be instantly sold at the current price. Now click on review and confirm this order. After this, you will have cash on your Kraken wallet, so you should have euros, dollars, or whatever currency you are using on your country. After you have cash, if you want to withdraw it to your bank account, just click on transfer, then withdraw, click on cash, and select the currency you have. So depending on the currency you are using, you will have different payment methods. So for example, euros, you will have those two different methods to get the bank transfer to your bank account. So that's it. Just select the method and fill in your bank details and you should get the transfer really soon. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.